your new vision. The ROG Phone 8 series has been totally redesigned, the biggest revamp in its long history. It's evolved from a thoroughbred gaming phone into a futuristic and game-changing premium device, with a slimmer, lighter body and thinner bezels that make it the perfect lifestyle phone for gamers. Step into the future of mobile gaming with the revolutionary and reimagined ROG Phone 8 Pro, an unprecedented blend of pure gaming prowess and everyday elegance. It's a cutting-edge gaming phone that's also a true premium phone. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform, with our enhanced thermal design for unparalleled performance. Feast your eyes on the 6.78-inch Samsung AMOLED with LTPO technology and up to 2,500 nits peak brightness, and capture moments like a pro with the 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer-equipped camera, which also has a 3x telephoto lens. Stay powered effortlessly and elevate your gaming and lifestyle with one extraordinary device. We hope you will like our video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel at Tree.